Okay, so the next thing we want to do is come over here to actually to the Software Center, not to the dash. So let's go to, we're going to install Chromium, Ubuntu Software Center. Google Chrome itself is not available in 13.04 at this time, so we'll just type in Chromium, and we should see the Chromium web browser. Now keep in mind, I'll click install on this, give it my password. Both Firefox and Chromium are outstanding browser alternatives to Internet Explorer. Both do a fabulous job. I prefer Chromium because I can log into it and all my stuff is up on the Google Cloud and all that works for me. That doesn't mean to say that Firefox is not an outstanding choice. It is outstanding. It works flawlessly. So that just takes a couple of seconds to install, and then if I come over here and now I type in Chrome, there is the Chromium web browser, and this is the default page. And again, another alternative to Internet Explorer, but it doesn't mean that Firefox is any kind of a slouch. What I like about this is I can use my Gmail credentials to log into this. I'll go ahead and do that, and when I do that, it populates it very quickly with my tool bars that I like. These are all my favorites, and that's from all of the different browsers. And then in not too long of a period of time, this will start to populate with all my icons that I've gotten from the web store, which you can, for instance, Angry Birds. If you were an Angry Birds fan, you could add that to Chrome, and mine will already be there. But I really like that feature, so that when you go to open a new tab, this will populate in a few minutes. In the meantime, I've got access to all of my favorites up here, and I really like that feature about Google Chrome. Plus it's kind of fast. So what I want to do is I want to come over here and I want to find the new Gateway site. There are some new sites that I'm working on. The new one for Gateway, or if you happen to be in the Networks class, just click on the hyperlink for that. And then we want this to become our default home page. So we want to go here and we want to go to, that's this little thing over here in Settings, and somewhere in here I'm sure that it tells us where we can set it up so that our default page is right there. It doesn't exactly jump out at you, but right here on startup, open a specific page and you click on Set Page and then Use Current Pages, and it lists all the ones that I have open. This is the one that I'm concerned about, so let's use that one. And that means that when I close this thing, I probably have too many pages open. Let's get this one out of here. Let's get the Google Chrome out of there. Let's go back to Settings, Set Pages, and I just want that one. Use Current Page. Okay, now let's see what happens. If I close Chrome and then come back into Chrome, in my case, I do want to set it as the default, and you can see that it goes right to the web page for this class. Another thing that you can do, and this is optional for you, I'm not going to use Firefox that much. I am kind of a Chrome fan, so I'm going to take this icon and put it down on my launch bar. And I like using, I want it right on my launch bar. Chrome browser, boom, right there. I'm at the class web page and I'm ready to go.